Hello, my name's Colin and I'm from UK Security Cameras. The aim of this video is to illustrate how important choosing the right setting for the lens on your CCTV camera is. Here the camera is set to its widest setting, and while you can see me, it will be difficult to identify me. Now if we zoom the camera in to cover the gates only, you can see the difference. I'm much clearer and could easily be identified. Some cameras, especially the cheaper ones, come with a fixed angle lens, typically giving between 70 and 80 degree viewpoint. They're ideal for a general overview of an area, but being a wide angle view, any object more than a few meters away appears quite small in the picture, making identification difficult. If a fixed lens camera is not suitable for your application, pay a few more pounds and get yourself a camera with a varifocal lens. A varifocal lens is one with zoom and focus setting that allows the installer to adjust it for the best possible image. Here's one of our varifocal lens cameras, and as you can see on the left you have the zoom setting and a focus setting. The video footage you are seeing now was recorded using a standard CCTV camera with an adjustable lens, and the footage used a moment ago was recorded on a high definition camera. This proves just how important this issue is. Even when using a very high resolution camera equipment, the way the lens is set up is important. The footage shows some typical CCTV viewpoints with the lens set to, first of all, a wide angle viewpoint and then set to be zoomed in on the subject. You can clearly see how much more detail is shown when the lens is framed specifically on a subject. When considering what cameras to buy for your CCTV system, it's important to know what the camera is to be looking at and how far away it will be from the subject you wish to see. This information is enough to allow a CCTV installer to calculate the best camera and lens for the job. Using a fixed lens camera or a varifocal lens camera with it set to its widest setting is fine for general observation, but not really much good for any detail. Its typical use would be somewhere like by a doorway where the subject will be quite close to the camera to get good clarity. From only 5 meters away, detail can be lost, such as you can just about read this here, and the number plate is just about clear here. Any more detail, such as facial recognition, is very unlikely at this distance. Adjusting the lens on the camera to a zoomed in shot, this is set now to 11 millimeters. As you'll see, you've got some much more clarity on these numbers here. The number plate's much clearer, and even some of the words here you can read. And facial recognition is much more likely now with this shot.